In the Supreme Court, Mr. Khera, when you were in power, you were questioning whether Lord Ram existed at all. From there to now heralding this grand moment, it seems your party has done a complete somersault.
Rahul, what happened in the Supreme Court vis-a-vis a particular project is a different debate. If you want, we can start talking about also how Mr. Mahesh Sharma in the last tenure of Mr. Modi's government in the House questioned the existence of Sita. So all this debate we can go on and on and on about it. But if we are talking about the Congress's position on this contentious issue of Ayodhya, we are very clear. We have always been very, very consistent. Rahul, this is a country with diverse opinions, diverse beliefs, diverse religions. So if there is a dispute, how do you resolve the dispute? Number one, dialogue. And if dialogue fails, mediation. And if mediation also fails, then the court of law. That's been our position from day one.
But even in the court of law, Mr. Khera, and I want to quote to you what senior Congress leader Kapil Sibal said when he was appearing before the Supreme Court. He at that time was repeatedly pushing for a delay in the hearing of this case before the Supreme Court, making the point that this should be pushed till after the 2019 elections. The point that I'm trying to make is this, that unlike the BJP, unlike the Sangh Parivar and the Vishwa Hindu Parishad, which have been at the forefront, the Congress has forever been very tepid, very unsure of its position towards the Ram temple. Now suddenly many in the Congress are doing Hanuman Puja, they're coming out and singing songs and bhajans, making it seem as if they are thrilled, when for the longest time you haven't been flag bearers for the cause.
Rahul, if a lawyer who also belongs to a political party goes and practices his law, you cannot equate his role as a politician with that of his role as a lawyer. Just as when late Mr. Arun Jaitley went and fought against the interests of the Bhopal gas victims, would you say that the BJP was opposed to the Bhopal gas victims? Or when Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad fights for Saharashri against all the victims of the Ponzi scheme, would you say the entire BJP is against the victims of the Ponzi scheme? No, you wouldn't, because a lawyer has his own job as a lawyer and the politician has a different role as a politician. So I don't think you should confuse the two at all, because I can give you 1,000 examples of lawyers from the BJP doing all kinds of cases.
But that's as far as the lawyers are concerned. In the Supreme Court, the Archaeological Survey of India, under your jurisdiction and your watch, did submit a report which said that Lord Ram is a fictional character. Anyway, we've heard from you. You've laid the context for this debate. Rajiv